Meron kaming kinailangan i-work talaga para sa sarili namin. Pinagandaan po namin itong character namin or itong series na 'to, dumaan talaga kami sa workshop. Sa napakadami ding workshops nun 'no, pinagdaanan namin talaga para magkaroon kami ng maayos na chemistry of course, pagdating dito sa trabaho namin. I mean meron naman kaming chemistry sa as a friends, yun na talaga. Pero siyempre meron kaming kinailangan i-work talaga para sa sarili namin, which is yung craft talaga namin, yung role namin na gagampanan namin dito.
Same. Workshops talaga. And yun, you have to study the script. Lalo na pag may free time ka or after ng taping or before kami pumasok ng lock-in, mini-make sure talaga namin na alam namin yung character namin, yung mga eksenang papasukan namin, and parang it's very important to realize at what point of the show you're in already. Kasi parang that defines yun nga kung paano ka makikitungo sa ibang mga characters, kung gaano ka-deep na yung relationship mo with a certain character also, or kung it varies kasi of yung dynamics ng show and dynamics ng relationships mo with the characters also.
Ayun boss, same as everyone. Maraming workshops, napakadami namin workshop, acting, chemistry, and I guess mabusising character analysis kasi very distinct yung mga characters namin, and since sobrang daming iba-ibang personalities, we wanted to really make sure na may kanya-kanyang atake kami per character, especially with us na brothers kami. Ano yung what would set us apart from each other, and also maraming guidance from our director, si Direk Henry, and of course sila Direk Ace, Direk Tak, yun po.